Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Paneer Burji sandwich at your home. So for this Paneer Burji sandwich, what you need, here I shredded some carrot and here some capsicum, and I'm going to grate some fresh paneer. First we have to fry all these vegetables. So let's start. So take a kadai, add some oil, and I added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. In this I am going to add the veggies. The first thing I am adding is the carrot. I cooked this carrot and capsicum for 2 to 3 minutes. And in this I am going to add the grated paneer. I added the grated paneer and I am going to mix these things together. And the kids, they will love this sandwich guys, because we added paneer, and as a spread we are going to add the cream into the bread. So this is done. Into this I am going to add some salt up to your taste and some garam masala. If you have a sandwich masala, you can add that one also. I added the salt and the garam masala, and you have to mix these things together. And it's time to switch off the flame. So take a bread slice. You can use any white bread or wheat bread. Today I am using the wheat bread, and I am applying some makkan, that is the cream, into this. So this is the fresh cream. And in this wheat bread, I am going to add the toppings of the sabji. And we are going to grill this one, guys. So yeah. And this is done. And I am going to keep this bread. And in the top of the bread I am going to apply some butter. So this is done, and I am going to keep it in the grill. So I kept this bread in the grill, and I am going to cover this one with the lid, and we have to cook until it becomes brown. So if you don't have a grill, you can make it in the tawa also by adding a little butter. So this is done, guys, and it's time to remove and put it in the lunch box. So I cut into triangle slices, and can you see my sandwich is ready? And so I put it in the lunch box. So yeah, and you can have this one with any green chutney or tomato ketchup, anything. And as I said, this is the kids friendly recipe. So this is a quick video of how to make Paneer Burji creamy sandwich at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.